So yeah, bro, did you know that you can actually eat banana peels?
You know, that's something I did not know. That's something I didn't know. But if you want to do it, go for it, man.
Hold on. Let me grab this. You can. It's not bad.
But
It's not sweet.
Actually eating a banana peel.
I don't like it. No.
What does it taste like?
They make cocoa plums. That's exactly what it tastes like. Oh, that didn't last.
Inside joke.
It's okay. I'm good. I don't want any more. I'm good. I think I drenched myself enough.
Got you.
On to the next spot.
There you go.
Alright guys, so I don't know how clear the video looks, but I'm walking down by the beach side. I got my friend and his kids in the back. So guys, this beach is called Long Bay Beach. This is actually one of my favorite beaches in the British Virgin Islands to go to. I have been here so many times and I can never get enough of it. It's always something different, a different feeling. It's amazing. It seems like, oh, I'm gonna have to take my slippers off and walk the rest of the way. Put them right here. But yeah, it's always a nice ambience, an amazing feeling every time I come here. So if you guys are ever on Tortola, you gotta check out Long Bay Beach, West End. White sandy beach, clear blue water. You cannot go wrong. Now what I wanted to do is, I wanted to take a break. A break from job hunting, a break from work. Just all in all, a break from everything that is just stressful. Because sometimes you just need that little break to be able to breathe, to be able to just restart. So just being able to be out here is an amazing feeling. Even though the sun is extremely hot, extremely blazing, it is still an amazing feeling. Check it out. There's actually a resort all the way behind of us. I don't know if you can see that. It's all the way to the other end. Well, that resort is called Long Bay Beach Resort, which is, I would say, maybe a 2 minute to 3 minute walk from where I'm at right now. So yeah guys, I decided I just needed a break from everything, and coming out here to me would be the best thing to do. I'm actually sinking in the sand. That's how soft this sand is, extra soft and springy. I should have brought my slippers. We could have gone on an adventure over that mountain right there. We could have, but it's okay. I was wearing slippers, so I had to take them off because my feet was sliding right through the front, so I had no choice. That side. Yes, sir. Now, I did a video on my top 3 beaches on Tortola, and this here was actually one of them. I believe this was number 3. But for me personally, it's always my top. So if you want to see the top 3 beaches on Tortola, check out that video. I have that there. I'll have that there in the on the top. Yeah, guys, just look at that. Just miles and miles and miles of amazing, clear ocean water. Cannot go wrong. You just cannot go wrong with that amazing view. So yeah, guys, don't let work and other things get the best of you. Always take a break, take a breather, go to a place where you think you feel more at ease, where you're able to breathe, you're able to think and refresh and restart. Just remember, we're not robots. We always need, even if it's 5 minutes, we always need that 5 minutes or even a few days just to restart, to get your mind straight. So that when you get back into work or whatever it is you do, at least you would go back to it with a positive and ready attitude. And that's my inspiration quote for today. The sun is blazing. I'm actually sweating through these shades. These shades are like a magnifying glass. It is magnifying the heat right through my eyes. Oh my gosh. The water feels so nice. I should have brought my swimsuit. So I would get into the water, but I don't have any extra clothes on me. But take it all in, guys. Take it all in.